Okay, so on this question, this word problem, the tickets for the field trip were purchased yesterday for both students and instructors. So some classroom is going on a field trip. Well, probably several classes. It says instructors, several classes, and their students. The children tickets cost $11. The adult tickets cost $15. The number of children tickets purchased was two more than three times the number of adult tickets purchased. How many of each were purchased if all of the tickets cost a total of $502? Okay, so we've got a couple of variables here. Let's let S be the number of student tickets, and A be the number of adult tickets. Number of student tickets, number of adult tickets. Or I guess we could do C for children, whatever, it doesn't matter. They use children, so I'll do C for number of children tickets, either way, whatever. Okay, so there we go. Use whatever letter. You can use X and Y, but it's easier to use meaningful letters. You'll remember them better. Okay, so two letters, we know we're going to need two equations here, aren't we? So the first one, what's it say? The number of children tickets purchased was two more than three times the number of adults. So let's do that fact. The number of children tickets equals is like equals. It's past tense of is, right? Is equals, was is equals in the past. So number of children's tickets was equals two more, two added to what? Three times adult tickets, 3A. Two added to 3A. There's that one. What's the second equation? The total cost is $502. How we can do that? Well, it's the children tickets are $11 each, so 11 times C. The adult tickets are 15 each. 15 times A equals the $502 price tag. Does that make sense? That second equation? Because however many children tickets you bought times $11 for each ticket, plus however many adult tickets you bought times $15 for each adult ticket, adds up to be the $502. That's the second equation. So there we go. And how do we always handle this? Step one, get one letter alone in one equation. Doesn't matter what letter, doesn't matter what equation. Just get one letter alone in one equation. And step two, plug that letter into the other equation. Plug that into the other equation. Okay. So really we've already got that, don't we? Right here. We've already got one of the letters alone in that first equation. So I don't need to do anything except just take that now and plug that into the second equation. So I'll come over here and grab the second equation. And bring it down like that. And so we've got 11C plus 15A is 502. It's 502. Okay. So I'm going to grab this C and plug it in right there for C, right? That's what we're saying. We get one letter alone in one, so we got C alone here. Plug that in to the other equation. So where does that lead us? That leads us to 11 times C. And what is C? 2 plus 3A plus 15A is 502. Okay. And so now we're going to have to distribute. This 11 is going to go boom, boom, and multiply. And so what are we going to get? We're going to get 22 plus 33a plus 15a is 502. You can add these two together. What is that? 48a, bring down 22, like so. And now we can just solve for the a. Subtract 22 from both sides. And what do we get here? 48a is 502 minus 22. Isn't that like 480, I think? 502 minus 22. Yeah. Okay. And last step to get a alone. Boom, boom. A is 10. Number of adult tickets is 10. So that's the number of adult tickets, 10. What do they want? What was the question? I can't remember. Oh, so 10 adult tickets right here. This part will be 10 adult, but they also want number of children tickets. How are we going to get that? Well, you can just grab, like I can just grab this equation or the other. It doesn't matter. That one's easier, so I'll do that one. So you know how to wrap these up in the end, right? Now plug A equals 10 into really any equation. You can't go wrong here. Just plug it into any equation. So I'm going to grab that first one, which is this one. C equals 2 plus 3a. C equals 2 plus 3a. And I'm going to plug in A is 10 right there for A. C is 2 plus 3 times 10. So C is 32. You add that up, 32. So number of children's ticket is 32. Number of adult is 10. Children is 32 children tickets, 10 adult tickets. There we go. So again, it's 2 letters with 2 equations. Those 2 equations, the first one, the number of children is 2 more than 3 times the adults. It says here, 2 more than 3 times the adults. You got that one. The second one is about the money, the 502, which is $11 for the children's tickets and 15 for the adults. Adds up to be 502. So, and then when you got 2 equations with 2 letters, you get 1 letter alone in one equation. It already was. That was nice. Plug that into the other equation. So then we get this equation here. We solve for A, a few steps, and then plug that into anywhere else. Plugged in here, got C. So there we go.